Dear student class 8, welcome to our Greenfield School and College online class. Today I will discuss chapter 10, social problems of Bangladesh. Actually, social problem exist in the society. The society and the social problems are closely related. The social problem persist at the very birth of the society and are still continuing. Only the nature of the problem has changed. The social problem is such an abnormal situation actually of the society, and that influences most of the people of the society. Everyone needs to work together to overcome the situation. We have known about the social changes, and there is a deep relation between the social changes and the social problems. Due to unplanned social changes, the role of various social institutions and its failure to work properly creates the social problem. Look, it creates adverse effects on the people, and few people take collective efforts to save the people. There are many social problems in Bangladesh. Juvenile offense, drug addiction are two major problems at present. These two major problems are the concern of everybody. We shall be aware of social problems, and we have to solve this. Look, at first I'll discuss lesson 1, the idea and the causes of juvenile delinquency. Different offenses committed either by the immature, underline boys and girls, or the juvenile are called juvenile delinquency. Sociologists and the lawyers differ on the age range of juveniles offenders. Offensive work done by the boys and girls between 7 to 16 years are called juvenile offense in Bangladesh, underline India and Sri Lanka. On the other hand, the age range of juvenile offenders in Pakistan and Thailand is 7 to 18 years, underline. In Japan, these age range 14 to 20. It is very, very important for your MCQ. Juvenile offenders break the laws and the rules of the state and the society, and that's why they are juvenile offenders. The vices that are created as juvenile offense are stealing. Actually, there are the according to United Nations Convention on Child Rights, all person below 18 years of age are treated as child. Bangladesh has approved this convention 1989. There are different laws in Bangladesh that define that the child, according to the define given in Bangladesh Act 1974. According to Bangladesh Labor Law Act 2006, the minimum age of child and adolescent is ascertained 14 years and 14 to 18 years. This act also mentioned that to engage any child below 14 years cannot be employed, and the parents of that child cannot enter into any agreement to engage that child in any work. So we already know who are the juvenile and what are their age range. Look, some bad activities involving juvenile, and now I will discuss it. Juvenile delinquency is a fearful social problem for every society. The existence of this problem in our society and all around the world persists in a significant rate. Juvenile becomes delinquent due to bad social environment and deprivation of fundamental rights. The juvenile gets associated with evil company, because victim of trafficking, and becomes the target of abuse in defined form. Children are the uh, precious wealth of a nation. So all required steps should be taken for their development and for giving them equal facilities. By this, they will be able to have physical and mental fitness, morally enriched, and also achieve abnormalities abilities to work for the society. Deprived children and underprivileged adolescents easily get involved with crime. They don't care anybody. They become associated with diligent spirit, physical strength and power to sustain, and also because of their daring attitude they become associated with delinquency. And in severe fighting, juveniles of urban slums get more involved in delinquency because of poverty, deprivation from educational opportunity, irresponsible attitude, lack of control of their parents. Adolescents also get engaged in such crimes due to loneliness in cities, and their parents due to remaining busy. Um, instruction um, intrusion of bad culture through internet, satellite channel, and many other reasons. Juvenile delinquency may be can be prevented by maintaining healthy family environment, providing religious moral education in home, in school, taking activities for good entertainment, preventing bad culture. Again, those who are already engaged in crimes attempts can be taken to rectify their character to bring them back into right path through the help of juvenile court, juvenile custody, juvenile correction centers. So at first we have to discuss what type of crime they are already included, like murdering, stealing, failing from the school, failing from home, adopting unfair means in the examination, unruly activities in school, uh, or on the road, pickpocketing, beating, bombing, breaking vehicles, traveling without ticket. Eve teaching is very common seen in our country. Eve teaching, throwing acid, uh, uh, a terrible situation of throwing acid, cause the rate of throwing acid is high nowadays. Torturing women, watching obscene film, taking drugs, and drugs is another social problem. The juvenile offenders of our country are associated with these offenses. Juveniles become offenders from different reasons. Underline poverty. Poverty is the main reason of juvenile offense in our country. Many desires or demands of the juveniles of poor families remain unfulfilled. For this reason, they suffer from frustration, and this frustration leads them towards offense. The juvenile may also become offenders if they don't get a healthy family life and proper social environment. Many juveniles become offenders due to following reason: inability of the parents to spare time for the children, already I discussed, or to give attention to them, owing to their extreme business at their workplace or outside home, lack of affection and caring, premature death of parents, or their divorce, excessive punishment or monitoring of the parents are the causes of offense. The unusual conjugal relationship between parents and their bad conduct also sometimes make children offense prone. There are some parents who are offenders, bad mannered, indifferent, incapable, and absent-minded about family. The children of this type of parents have behave abnormally in the family. If you see some students are very self-centered, and they are we think they have enough trouble. Maybe his family, others sees relatives. So because I think their family situation or family condition is not good, and environment is not favorable to live them. If the parents quarreling always, then this affects on her kids and on his kids, and they don't grow a uh, mm, uh, don't grow a proper man or um, perfect person in the family, and later on grow up as offenders, and they grow up as offenders. Many young boys and girls become offenders for want of proper recreation. It is very important for our man's life, human's life, recreation. If you every day you work more than suppose example, you every day you work more, but your workload, you don't carry a load long time. If you uh, um, if you add a option of your in your life, like proper recreation, like you go to see the theater, you go to um, in the museum, you go out in the part. So it is very important for mental growth. The children who are associated with games, sports, music, drawing, pictures, physical exercise, and different types of cultural activities normally grow up in a healthy manner in a pleasant environment. On the other hand, those who are deprived of these facilities seek other paths to get rid of mental dissatisfaction. It is they who later on get involved with different types of offenses. There are some underlined in different parts and industrial areas of the term, the slum environment, and many bad incidents of that place make the children offenders. The young children of the slum also get involved with offenses due to bad company, poverty. The poor children become compelled to earn money, adopting many illegal activities like their pickpocketing, hijacking, involved in various types of crimes, robbery. Uh, so, um, so we have to conscious that uh, they sometimes spend money in gambling, taking wine or drugs, and watching obscene movies. They get inclined towards crime in their attempt to earn money. Physical and mental problem or deformity creates inferiority complex. It is very very important. These childs grow up unhealthy environment, and it must be they have effect of inferiority mental disorder. So many may become criminals or offenders due to this. Again, too much emotion and genius may also sometimes make the children criminals, offenders. Yeah, genius people may be involved in criminal activities because the mental makeup of these children become more complex than the ordinary ones. They also may become criminals and offenders due to not getting proper environment flourishing their genius. It is true, if a genius student cannot express, cannot getting proper environment for developing or for showing their genius, they can or may be involved these activities. The children of those parents who frequently change their workplace cannot cope with a new environment each time they face a problem in selecting their friends or associates. In this way, many may become Many may become offenders due to bad company. At present, another type of new juvenile offense is seen in the society due to abuse abuse of mobile and internet. Very shocking that shocking situation in our country, or abnormal situation in our country. So especially child are involved in internet and they carry a bad effects of internet. So listen to the effects and prevention of juvenile offense. Stealing, pickpocketing, traveling by train without ticket, uh, attacking man, shops, house, vehicle, breaking and setting them on fire, doing other. Actually, this type of work, they only they done this only their curiosity, only the direction of others, because their age is very short and very low. So doing other destructive work and teasing the girls are some of the offenses committed by the they think this is a this is a enjoyment, this is a imaginary world, but a reality that is not committed by the juveniles of Bangladesh. Besides, the juvenile offenders sometimes commit robbery in a group and also extort money from the business. Sometimes they even commit murder. The peace of the family with which juvenile offenders is disturbed. Recently, if teaching by juvenile offenders is increasing in all places in both towns and villages. They utter filthy and offensive words to the girls. The girls cannot go to school and college safely if they don't respond to illegal proposal of derailed juveniles. They kidnap and physically torture the, because these boys involved in bad activities. They watch obscene film, and for effect of this film, they created occurs this type of crime, and they also throw acid on them in their attempt to protest. The guardian sometimes become victims of their attack. The institutional education of the girls is sometimes closed due to the torture of the degraded juvenile. The juvenile offenders are frequently related to drug addiction and the other bad habits. So, dear student, I already delivered lecture of juvenile crimes, juvenile offense. Uh, so have you any problem or fall in any don't understand any topics, please contact with me. Thank you very much.